Okay, okay guys, today we are playing Tomb Raider Game of the Year edition, and now we will make a fire, and after that we will recreate this bonfire with you inside Niagara. It's a good looking effect and it's really common for the games and will fit really nice in your portfolio if you know how to do it. So we will recreate it with you. So this was a nice reference, but maybe I will wait a bit just to look at this fire better. Okay, we can see it. She's really pretty. Let's see what we have in this camera, what it's recorded. Is it something important?
Here's the soon-to-be world-famous archaeologist, Lara Croft.
Okay, I will skip it. Okay, again we're in the fire, so we can see it better. Okay. Okay, that was everything from the fire, guys. So we can recreate it with you now inside Unreal. Let's go. Okay guys, we are in Unreal again, and I already prepared the effects for you. This is our campfire, which we are going to create today with you. Now, let's open the emitter, the Niagara system, and to see what we have inside. Okay, it's here. I will scale it a little bit. So, this is our effect, and here we have 4 emitters. One for the embers, one for the smoke, for fire, and for light. And now let's begin and let's create it again, this time with you. So here let's add empty emitter, for example, or no, this time will be fontaine. Okay, now we have fontaine in our emitter. Okay, we will start with the smoke. So I will change the position of this bulb, this tool, and we will place it next to the smoke. So, okay, let's begin with the texture. Here I have again my smoke material, so let's find it. Smoke material, and here I have to write 8 by 8. Perfect. Okay, first I will stop these emitters, will leave only the smoke, and okay, emitter state. Here it's system, I will make it system here, 2. Okay, spawn rate, it's the particle amount, it's 8, so here will be 8 again. Okay, here to the lifetime it's 2 and 3. Sprite size it's 150, and that's it. Okay. Okay, here random range loads 2 and 3. So the cover, is it activated here? It's not, because we have a cover node here. Okay, I will stop the cover, will stop the mass. Okay, sprite attributes, this is the sprite size, and here have to be multiply vector 2D by float. Okay, let's activate it. So just to know, you can activate this setting, multiply vector 2D by float, only when you click here to non-uniform. So that's why here it's non-uniform. And here, yep, multiply vector 2D by float, it's here. So here, after that, to float, we have to choose random range float, which is the most common thing which we are using in our lectures. And here, you have to click this arrow here and random range float. And the amount, it's 100 and 150. Okay, let's add 100, oops, 150. Okay, it's good for now. Okay, this is mesh attributes. It's not for us now. This is when we are using mesh particles, mesh renderer, which you can add from here when you click the plus, but it's not going to be in this course. Maybe in the next, or yeah, in the next effects which we are going to create. For now, we will practice without meshes. Okay, let's continue. Now, I will delete shape location and this velocity. Okay, here I have velocity and I will add it here. Plus add velocity, and yes, here have to be random range vector. Okay, here random range vector. Okay, one thing which I want to tell you, this effect which I create, I don't know, in the past, and that's why here some of the settings here are different. For example, here it's linear, there is a velocity mode, here it's not visible because this is the old version of the effect, and that's why we are recreating them with you now with the newest settings. So it's not a big problem, it's totally same, but if you're wondering why it's different, this is the reason. Okay, here it's add velocity, it's 1632, 1632, and 55 40 100. Okay, 55 40 100. Okay, now it's much better, our velocity. Okay, let's continue. Here, why the particles are falling down? Because we have gravity force. In this effect, we don't need this gravity force. I will delete it first. Okay, now it's better. Do you see? Yep. Okay, I will save it now. Okay, now drag. Let's see the drag amount. Here it's 1. I will write 1 again. Acceleration force. Okay, it's 8, 16, 10, minus 10, 35, 1. What you can do, it's you can click this plus here, acceleration, and to add it. But what I will do now, I will click here, Control C, and you come here, click particle, hit Control V. Now it's here. Copy and paste. It's really helpful for you when you're working with a lot of emitters here and you want to copy something from the other. So don't worry to copy and to place it here. Now it's better. Now save again. You see it's totally same, of course. Okay, here will be scale color, scale sprite size. We don't have scale color here. I will delete it. Okay, so we have color. Okay, let's add the color. Color. It's where is the color? There is a color. This is the color. Okay. I will show you how to find this graph here. I told you the previous lectures, but I will do it again. After I will copy it because I don't want to look for the exact color as this effect. So here, you have to come here and to click random color from curve. Yeah, that's it. And here you can choose the color in the beginning, and I will show you now. Let's stop first the major one, and I will show you can add every color you want. Here in the beginning it will be blue, and okay, you have to click it. Sometimes it's not opening. Okay, here will be red, and you see the beginning is blue, the end it's red. So it's up to you. Okay, I will delete it now and we'll copy this setting here and place it here again. Perfect. Now we have, I will show you which color I am using here. Yes, it have to look like a little bit like a fire. That's why I choose this color, because it's mixing with the fire sprites, and it looks better in our viewport. So let's click OK. Okay, color scale sprite size. Okay, this is the scaling. So what I did here, the beginning, the scale of our sprites are 0.5. In the end of our animation, it's 0.8. So They are starting smaller and they're increasing during the time of the animation. Okay, I will copy it again. Control C, Control V. Perfect. Scale sprite size. Let's place it here. Okay, we'll stop this effect here, and now our effect is much better. It's almost ready. Oh, the last thing is the sub UV animation, which will take the animation from the textures, as I told you before. So let's add it. Let's sub UV. You can copy it too, but I will do it by myself. Here we'll activate, right, 64. Yes, it's good. Let's see. Yes, I think it's same. The smoke, it's same. There's a little rotation inside. Let's see where is going this rotation. Okay, it's here. Yep, sprite rotation here is 0. Here, okay, let's add this sprite. Yeah, we have a lot of rotation here by default because of the fontaine. Okay, I will fix it now. We'll click here. Yeah, rotation. No, we don't have rotation. It's my bad. This is the size here. Sprite rotation, random degree. Let's make it 0. Yes, it's ready. Now our smoke, same. Do you see? Okay. Okay, what I will do here, for example, I will make it more transparent here into the beginning. Okay, let's come here to color. Okay, I will make it 4. Yes, and then it's good. Let's save it. So it's fading in the end. That's why here it's 0.24. And let's see how it looks in our. It's good. Okay, I will place it. I prepared another bonfire, but let's work on this one here. Okay, our smoke is perfect now. Okay, let's continue with the second emitter. Okay, we will rename this one to smoke 1. Okay, else we'll collect them here with the both of them. Okay, let's make the fire now. Okay, I will place the fire here. What I will do now, we'll click here in the smoke, we'll click Control C, and here we'll place it next to the fire. And now we are going to use this ready emitter which we have now, and it's faster. So let's hop inside, and first what we are going to do, we will change the material. We are not going to use this smoke material again. So I prepared another material for you. It's called fire material. It's this one. Okay, I will show you the material. Here I have depth fade, clamp, multiply add, and 2 textures, and again it's a sprite sheet. So you can see the settings here, and you can create it by yourself. So that's it. I will zoom a little bit to see the amount. Okay, we'll stop it now. Okay, let's see. Here it's 6 by 6. That's why we see these bullshits here. So let's write 6 by 6. Now it's better. Okay, let's continue. Let's see what we have in the beginning. Okay, it's system. Spawn rate is 15, so we will write 15.2. Okay, here the lifetime it's 0.9 to 1.2. Okay, 0.9 1.2. Okay, the mass and the color is top 2, so here it's same. Perfect. Sprite attribute, sprite size, the size of our particles. Let's change it. Maybe we will need it. Okay, it's okay. Random range vector 2D. It's here. Let's change it. Okay, back. Okay, uniform. Let's see, random range and random range vector 2D. Okay, random range. Okay, it's not uniform, it's here. Yes, random range vector 2D, and here it's 30, 50, 70, 90. Okay, 30, 50, 70, 90. Okay, it's good. Let's save it just to be sure. Okay, let's see if we have a rotation. Sprite rotation. Yes, we have a rotation. It's -1 and 1. Okay, let's add a small rotation here. You can add rotation from here or to make another node here. But okay, we will make it from here. It's random range -1 and 1. Okay. Okay, we have dynamic material parameter here. This is another settings which help us to improve our dynamic of our smoke, to go in different directions, and the opacity, as you see. Okay, let's add it. Okay, I will copy it, but dynamic, yep, is this one. Okay, I will do it by myself and to show you how to add it and how to use it. Okay, dynamic, let's place it here, and let's see, here we have, I will minimize offset and opacity, and here it's a random range float, offset and opacity, set random range and random range. Here you can play it with the stuff and to see the results. Okay, dynamic, here 5, here is 1. Okay, we will keep it like this one. Okay, I will stop it. Yes, the opacity. Did you see? Did you saw the result? The opacity. Yeah. Yes, it changes in the time. So I will bring it back to 5. Okay. We'll continue with the velocity. I will delete this velocity now. We'll add another velocity by default, and let's see what I have here. 0, 0, 5, 40. Okay, let's make it random range again. 0, 0, 5, 40. So we'll go only up, not into the different directions. Maybe I can make here 5 and 5 to have some dynamic, but we'll see later when we have more cover, when we correct this node here. Okay, let's see if it's everything. Okay, good. Okay, shape location. What I will do, I will just copy this shape location, Control C, Control V, and that's it. Shape location, it's same. You only have to come here to click the plus to add shape location, and here we have to switch it from 100 to 5. And here it's 0, 1, 1, and 1. That's it. Okay, we'll stop it again. Particle state, same. Acceleration force. Okay, we don't have drag here. You can stop it from here if you're going to use it in the future, or you can just delete it. I will delete it. Okay, acceleration is 25,060. Okay, what I have here is just a basic acceleration. So let's delete every settings. It's 25,060, because I remember. Yes, here, so forces. Okay, cover. I will copy the cover because it will be easier. Okay, activate cover, copy, place. Okay, cover is here. Okay, we have sub UV animation again, and scale sprite size. Okay, maybe I will delete it for now. Sub UV. Okay, it's here I wrote 36 because our texture is 6 by 6, so you have to change it for sure. 36. Yes, it's again is the oldest version. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Okay, scale sprite size. We'll stop it. Do you see? Now it's same like our, but we have to add this scale sprite size and okay, scale sprite size. Here the beginning it's 1 and it's disappearing in the end. So I will show you again. If you move it here, it will disappear faster. You see, our animation is faster. It's the end. It's faster. Everything is faster. So I will bring it back to the previous place and we'll save. Okay, our fire is ready too. We have sprite render because it's a texture, and that's it. Okay, let's rename it to fire 1. Perfect. Okay, now let's make the embers and the light will be in the final. Okay, let's see what we have here. Yes, it's really cool. Oh, let's stop them. Fire, embers. Let's copy the fire. Control C, Control V. Okay. Now we will start again with the texture. What I have here, this basic material. Yeah. These are our embers. Okay, it's a basic material which I create for you. I will show you. It's only one texture. It's a glowing dot which you can create in Photoshop, for example, with one brush. Just make it 512 by 512. Place one, I don't know, one brush. I will show you now. Photoshop. Okay, I will show you how to create this texture. It's really easy, guys. But I want to be sure that you understand everything, so that's why I will open the Photoshop. Okay, let's make it okay, and let's our background to be transparent, to be black, and create. Here I have different textures and I don't know, pictures of me and friends. Okay, we have to wait a little bit. Come on, okay, I think it's ready. So we have to come here to the brush 2, size, for example. Okay, it's too big, it's too small, perfect. And hard have to be 0. That's it. This is everything. Here you have to, if you don't want to have too much blur effect into the edge of the shape, just make it a little bit harder. You have to come here to click export. You can do it as PNG or it's a TGA format, which you can write in the end of your file. So this is everything, and this is what I did here. This is our material for embers. It's really basic, and yeah, okay, we'll show. Now it's only one texture. It's not a sprite sheet. That's why it's one by one. Okay, I will. It's how is the name? Embers material. Okay, embers material. Perfect. Wow. Okay, that's why it's because it's 6x6. Let's bring it to 1 by 1. You can create candle fire effects with this texture, to be honest. Maybe I will show you how later. Okay, spawn rate 60. Yeah, they have to be more because they are embers and they are everywhere. And okay, here it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Color mass are stopped. Sprite size is 0. So the size will be between 0 and 1. They have to be small. Okay. Is it same? Random range vector 2D. Random range, yeah, yes, it's same. Okay. Here we have rotation, but here it's not going to be visible our rotation because they are too small. Yep. So I will leave it like that. Okay, system location. This we don't need this dynamic material. System location. Okay, system location. Let's system location this time, not shape. Okay, let's see the difference. Yeah, system location and shape location. The shape location, it's the way you want your particles to spawn, like a sphere from the sphere of primitive shape, or it's up to you. System location, it's a basic location of your emitters. So I will show you. Now it's different. You can do it with shape location too, but okay, I will keep it shape location now to see the result. And if it's not good, we will change it, because now it's different because we have attraction settings here. So we have vector fields which we're going to add with you now. So let's keep it for now and see the result with the sphere location. Maybe I will increase the sphere a little bit, and by 10 to have bigger radius of our spawning, and we'll continue with the velocity. Let's see our velocity here. It's 5, 10, okay, 30, 60. It's 5, 10, 1, 30, and 60. Okay, that's it. Particle state, same every time. Okay, cover. Cover, okay, cover. Let's see the cover. Now I think they're too small, and the cover it's not make too much sense on our particles. But let's see our cover here. They're a little bit invisible. So I will copy it. You delete this one. It's same like this one, and we'll place it. Oops, what I did. I copy another thing. Sorry, Control C, Control V. Yep, our cover is here. Yes, okay. Cover drag. Let's add drag acceleration force. We will need it, so I'm going to delete drag. We need this drag to have more friction in the end. And let's see the drag here. It's random range load. Okay, and it's 5.2 as I remember. Yes. Now there is a drag. It's better. Okay. Okay, let's move it here, and let's see acceleration force. It's 150. Okay. This will accelerate it faster up. Okay, perfect. So forces is here. Scale sprite size by speed. So this is another feature which you can add. What you can do with this node here, you can scale the sprites by speed. If they are faster, yeah, they will change the size during the animation. I will show you now. Scale, size, scale, cover. We have cover by speed, but we need size. Scale sprite size. Yep, it's this one. Scale sprite size by speed. Let's see. It's 1, 1. Okay. We will show you. Do you see? They're changing during the time. In some of the time they're smaller, the other time they will become bigger. This is what this settings is doing. So let's bring it to 25 and continue speed. Scale sprite size. We have it. Is it same? Here it's vector 2D from float. Okay, for me it's same, but I will delete and we'll add this one. Okay, scale, and okay, perfect. Where to place it? Here. Okay, we have a vector field now. What is doing this vector field? It's it's like a fake wind or fake attraction field. Some things which you can interrupt your animation. I will show you now. For example, we'll stop this one and we'll activate this. Now, do you see the moving of our sparks? How they're going into the different ways. They're rotating. It's like a twirl effect of your particles. So it's really helpful, this vector field, for this type of emitters with embers, with sparks, something like that. something which is attracted by the environment around the effect. Okay, sample vector field. I will show you how to add it. So here, sample vector field. Okay, sample vector field and apply vector field after that. Apply. Okay, they work together. So here, you have to come here and let's see, it's vector field 2. So, okay. Maybe you're not going to see in your project because I already have it, and I will try to upload it in the course projects after the project, after the lecture, so to be able to use it. And yeah, let's see here. Okay, we have it. We have to open here and to write 150. We will increase the vector field. Okay, it's, yep, here I have to be 0.5 for example. Perfect. And this is some fix which I don't know. Let's click fix now and we'll fix it. It was easy. Okay, save. Okay, vector field, let's see. Here it's float from curve. So let's add it. Which one is it? It's the first one. Oops, it's the second. Okay, vector field intensity. Okay, flat from curve. Perfect. Here we'll make it 0 and here have to be 80. We need more vector fields. Do you see the result? It's totally the same. So don't add the system location, you can use shape location. Or if you want something new, just add system location and fill this coordinates inside. Yep, this is our vector field. If we increase it now, it's the vector field, it's bigger and we will increase the amount of our animation, but it's bad for us, so we'll bring it to 80 and we'll save it. Let's see how it looks in our scene. Okay, it's good. It's good. It looks realistic. Okay, let's see what I can change here. Okay, particle state no here. It's 0. Okay, it's 1. Maybe here the sprite size in our animation, it's a mistake which I did into the previous effect. There the length, it's too big for me now. I will change it from here. We will make it, for example, 15. Now it will be better. Okay, I changed it to the previous effect, not to the new one. So where is this? Okay, 15. Okay, now will be better. Let's see. Yeah, they are not that big here. Or you can change the value from here because the difference between 0 and 1 is too big. So here we can, for example, we can write 4. Oh, yes, and now they will look better. Oops. Yes, they're better. Super. So let's rename to embers. Embers 001. Okay, it's automatically perfect. We have 3 of our emitters already, so let's activate every one of them and to see the result. Let's save. Okay. Oops. Okay. It's perfect. It's perfect, guys. Okay, maybe the vector fields, it's too much again because you see how they're spreading into the every side. So let's decrease a little bit the amount of our vector field. Here have to be, for example, let's make it 50. Let's see. It's much better. Yeah, this time it's really cool. Okay, now I am fixing my effects into these lectures. So we are learning together, guys. This is the reason I like to teach other people, because when I'm trying to explain everything to you, to understand me, to know how to do it, I am improving myself every time. Okay, embers, and now let's add the lights. Okay, this is our light. What I have here for the light. I will show you now how to make a light emitter. Here, add emitter, empty, for example. Okay, the light is invisible in the viewport here. It's visible only in our viewport, our scene. Okay, what we have to do now here? We have to come here to stop the sprite render and to click light render. Now, yeah, you can delete it even if you don't need it. Okay, and let's make the correction system. Okay, spawn rate. Let's add spawn rate. Let's write 6. It was 6 here. Spawn rate here. Again, we have lifetime. It's totally same like every emitter. Okay. It's random range, and it's 0.51. Perfect. Here the cover and the mask are stopped again. Unset. Perfect. Sprite size. I think you have to be like here, non-uniform, and random range vector, and to make it 2, 6, 6, 10. Okay. Perfect. And we have small rotation, which is not going to be visible, so, but okay, let's add it. It's not a problem. I will do it for you guys. Okay, perfect. Okay, add velocity. You already know how to add this velocity. Here, add velocity, fix issue. Here I have to add random range vector, but I will copy and paste it now. Okay, and shape location. Here you have only to click on this plus to add shape location, and to here to write 5. Already. Here it's in every direction, so it's only the sphere radius. Okay, we have drag, copy, paste. If so forces, we have it. We have cover of our light, so copy again, paste here. We have sub-UV animation. Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe let's see what will happen. Maybe I used another emitter before that and I forgot to delete it. So let's see the result without the CPU. Yeah, it's same. We don't need this sub-UV animation here. It's not a sprite sheet. Okay, we'll delete it. It's less. And scale sprite size. Let's add it. Perfect. Let's see the result. It's totally the same. So we are ready with our